Hello guys, so we will try to understand the natural language processing in the Python with the help of a project which is email spam detection, and I will try to cover all the topic about the natural language processing in this project itself. So okay, so how we start a project? Actually, we start a project by analyzing the data set. So first we all know these things, so I will go fast here. So I am importing the library numpy pandas matplotlib and seaborn. Then I am reading the data set. Okay, the data set link will be in the description. So first execute this. Okay, this is taking some time, and then execute this. So this is actually a email spam detection dataset, and the link will be in description of the Kaggle. You can download from there. So we have read the dataset. Now look what is the dataset. So I am printing total number of rows and column by df.shape, and I am reading the dataset in the df name variable, and also I am printing the top 10 rows of the dataset. So the total number of rows and columns in the data set is 5572 and total 5 columns. Okay, and these are our columns. So actually the v1 column is telling us a message is spam or not spam. So HAM means legalite message and spam means a spam message. So the v1 column is telling us the class label and v2 is telling us the message. Okay, so this is kind of our data set. Also we have 3 more columns: unnamed 2, unnamed 3 and unnamed 4. I don't know why. So first we try to adjust this data set in our format in which we are comfortable. So what I have done here, so first I have print the columns of the data set, then I am choosing only these 2 columns, v1 and v2, for my analysis, because these are the only columns which are important for our analysis phase. So okay, so now check our df. So this is how my df is looking now. v1 and v2, and v1 is telling me the class label and v2 is telling me the message. Okay, but it is the column names are not looking good. So first we will change the column names. So I have written here df.columns equals to class and message. Okay, now look our df. I think it should look good now. So df.head. So you can see here is the class and here is the message. Now the format is looking good for our analysis. So now check if we have any null values. So I write df.info. So all objects are non-null objects, so no issues here. Now we have our class labels as HAM and spam. I want to convert this class label in the numeric form. So I am converting like this. I am giving the value of spam to 0 and value of HAM to 1. Okay, so how can I do this? So I am creating a new column spam. So df spam equal to df class, our this column is class, df class dot apply a function, give the value 1. Okay, we have already talked about the lambda functions. Okay, so give the value of 1 if the value of x is ham, else 0. Okay, so how will it work? It will look for the values. If the value is ham, okay, so it will give it 1, and if the value is spam, then it will give it 0. So actually the class labels will convert into the numeric values. So after executing this we can see, okay, after executing this we have a additional column spam, where for HAM the value is 1 and for spam the value is 0. Okay, so now we can drop this class columns. Okay, we can drop this class columns because we have already a spam column which is telling the information about a spam message. So we do not have the need of this class column, so we can drop here. So I will write df.drop the column name and x is equal to columns. We have already talked about these things, right? Now our df is in proper format. I can say I can work more and analyze the data because the shape of my data is now looking good. So we will see the analysis phase and the visualization phase after this video. So that's it for it.